In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then choose OK. Hit Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Following that, use this pen at the bottom left corner. Scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Place it wherever you want to, go back, and tap on it. As you can see after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!